Hi friends, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to discuss the legal consequence of living together relationships. A peculiar type of relationship which have been increasingly popular nowadays all over the world, especially younger generations, in the light of a recent judgment of our Supreme Court. As we all know, in such a relationship, namely living together relationship, two grown-up persons chose to live together as partners without entering into a legal marriage. It is true that social changes, urban lifestyle, financial independence, growing personal values all contributed to the growing acceptance of this living together relationship. It is also true that this new trend raises several issues for discussion, like commitment, family values, legal protection, emotional security, stability, and rights of the partners and the children born out of that relation. The case in hand is of a relation having a child and subsisted for 15 long years, which ended when the man left the place, giving up the woman and child, and started another relation with some other woman. When the man left the place, the woman initiated a criminal proceedings against him and an FIR got registered. The allegation is that the man raped her with a false promise of marriage, and after that left her and the child born out of that relation. Against that FIR, the man approached Madhya Pradesh High Court and got the FIR quashed. Against that order of High Court, the woman approached the Supreme Court with an appeal. In the appeal case, the Supreme Court bench consists of Justice B.V. Nagaratna and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan clearly ruled that a consensual relationship which continued for a long term and having a child born out of that will not constitute a criminal offense when the relation breakdown. Justice B.V. Nagaratna and Justice Ujjal Bhuyan have ruled that the law must distinguish between a failed personal relationship and a criminal conduct. The long consensual relationship between the man and woman precludes a criminal liability. The judges observed that in the absence of a legal bond of marriage, the partners of a living together relationship should assume the risk of sudden separation without access to any remedy like bigamy charges or maintenance, etc. The judges suggested that her remedy is lay in seeking civil remedies of maintenance to the child and not in criminal law. Before concluding this speech, I would like to point out one thing. Here, the Supreme Court underscores the need for a legislative clarity on the issue of rights and protection of the individuals who have chosen to continue living together relationship in this new era. Thank you.